I've reworked the rear window support. I think this works heaps better. But what this video is about is the roof support around the door openings. I made this out of some 1.6 25 by 25 RHS and a bit of plate. Well, that's the right hand side done. Now it's time to do the left hand side. Here is a piece of metal I've cut and bent, and it's going to go up into here. Not like that. Let me grab that, man. I have dropped this so many times today. Anyway, goes up into fuck me. Fuck me. Fuck me. Here I have a piece of metal I've cut and bent, which is going to go up into this corner here. And I'll make another one for this side. Stick around to see what sacrilege has happened here.